this? Who are you? Where did you come from? And wait, how do you know my name anyway?
Oh, right. You don't know yet. Well then, why don't you try to guess who I am, Naruto?
Yeah, you bet! You're the Nine-Tails' true form! Oh man, that sure is one scary laugh! You're trying to trick me by taking that form, huh? Well, yeah!
Wrong, you know! Minato, he didn't say anything to you? Shame on him. Anyway, that's right, I'm your...
I've wanted to meet you for so long now, Ma. You know,